Hi friends, welcome back to Post Frontend CRUD app. Last class we have completed the context API for our application. In this class we are going to implement the uh, registration form. Before going to implementation of the registration form, first I am going to remove some small mistake did in the user service like user API.jsx. Like it is a I have unnecessarily written the this slash API slash v1 because of in the I have actually taken from the this API from the post API. Here in the post API itself only I have written the base URL itself only. I have written the local host name with slash API slash v1. Here I have written. That's why here no need to return the in each and every API slash v1 slash API slash v1. You can remove this one. In your code also you can change this one. You can remove this one. I'm going to remove this API slash v1 in the each and every API. No need to write this one. Because of already in the common base URL itself, we have written the host name with endpoint. This API slash v1. You can directly write the slash user slash sign up slash user slash login. You can directly call this. Let's go to the registration page. Component section, go to the register.jsx. Here write the handle the registration const on submit register equal to function arrow function. Here write the try catch block. In the catch block I'm going to handle the errors. In the try block I'm going to first take the event as a parameter e dot prevent default function. This will stops the unnecessary re-rendering of reloading of the reloading of the application while form submission. Then call the register user this function. First import the register user from slash API slash user API. And one more thing also required is a navigate. For that you can for navigating you can import the use navigate function React router const navigate equal to use navigate equal to use navigate. First call the register user function with passing the data. It will accept the form data. See, it will accept the register user accept the form data. See, it will take the form data as a parameter. We are going to send this register form data. This enter object. It is a asynchronous function. That's why we are going to make it as a await and async and await keywords. After this, we are going to check the condition called if data dot success equal to true. We are going to redirect it to the login page or sign in page. I have given the sign in as a instead of login. I have given the sign in the my routes. Here you will observe this sign in I have given for the login. For the registration I have given the sign up. After completing this, you can call this method while submitting. You can use the onSubmit attribute. Here you have to call the onSubmit register. In the registration button, you can click on the register button. If you click on the register button, it will call the onSubmit. It will trigger the onSubmit attribute. OnSubmit attribute, it will call the onSubmit register function. Let's restart the application in the terminal. Clear or CLS npm run dev, npm run dev. Check the backend server also. Let's restart this one also. Clear npm run dev. Backend server also running and front end also running. Come to my web browser. Or open the freshly localhost 5173. See, it is running, and go to the sign up or register page. Here, give the username first. I'm going to give the Johnson, and next email name is Johnson dot Jane at the rate of dot Jane 6 at the rate of gmail.com. Full name is Johnson Jane. Johnson Jane. And password is, you can give 8 characters and above. 8 characters and above. And click on the register bar page. See, I have redirected to the login form. I redirected to the login form. That's all, friends. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.